Hello again. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. I just want to show you guys what a couple of tools that I'm using right now to help me with my STEAM project. It involves Scratch and really introducing students to Scratch and how they can use it to create animations, whatever they want, animations or games. So right here is Scratch. Now I've explored this a little bit. I've actually made some projects here, but I do want to just showcase this website really quick. So you can go to My Stuff. What I'll have to have the students do is create accounts and um, create accounts. It's free, which is great. But you create new project here, and there's a ton of different tools that are available that I am not too familiar with. I mean, I can get this cat to do some things, um, but there is certainly a lot of other things that I need to learn. So I just see I made the cat move, but there are definitely there are definitely some things that I can learn. I'm not too sure about variables. So anyway, how am I going to learn about this to give students a chance to best perform and best suit their needs to create an animation or game they would want? I checked out lynda.com and there's a ton of different tutorials that I'm going to want to explore. It starts off simple with a Scratch, how to make things move, how to sense things, setting up variables, and all that stuff, loading a sound, even making a game, making a character walk. So there's a lot of videos here that are accessible via lynda.com. So that's one technology I'm going to be using, and I'm actually exploring another technology. I'm trying to challenge myself, and um, in the animations that the students will be using, I anticipate gravity will be involved. And gravity um, evokes a motion that isn't linear. It's not consistent. It's not moving at the same rate, which is a pretty key concept that even middle school kids, my intended audience, will begin to grapple with in the later grades of middle school. So how I hope to help students, construct meaning around that is to have a demonstration or have them work with a motion sensor. I haven't narrowed down what motion sensor I'm going to be using, but there are some cool motion sensors out there like Matchgraph that really marks your distance, as you can see here with this student who's moving away. I just paused this video, but it's pretty neat. And then there's also this Easy Data, which you can connect to a graphing calculator, um, and it actually maps their distance and graphs it. You can really get a feel for linear movement, which is constant velocity, and gravity, which we're gonna begin to explore, and then furthermore reason how can we code that information. So that's sort of where I'm at right now with these tools. If you guys have any suggestions on motion sensors out there, I know they're expensive, but I'm gonna do some exploration on maybe where I can get one and start to learn it, the ins and outs of it. All right, thank you very much, guys.